How to check recently installed apps on Android. This tutorial shows you how to see which apps have been installed on your device and when. First, open the Play Store on your Android device. From there, tap your profile icon at the top right of the screen. After that, tap Manage Apps and Device from the menu. At this point, tap Manage at the top of the screen to see all your installed apps. From here, tap the filter option that says Installed and make sure it's set to show all apps. Following this, tap on the sort icon and select Recently Updated or Recently Installed to bring the newest apps to the top of the list. After that, scroll through the list to see every app that has been recently installed, along with the date it was added to your device. From here, if you spot an app you don't recognize, tap on it to open its Play Store page and get more information about what it does before deciding whether to keep or remove it. Finally, if you want to uninstall anything from this screen, tap on the app and select Uninstall to remove it straight away. That's how you check recently installed apps on Android. If this was helpful, drop a like, subscribe for more tutorials, and hit the bell so you never miss an upload. See you then!